You kill Tyreek now in one verse. Matter of fact, me a kill him in a reverse.
Play back over the
brother, you come for really matter foolishness, brother.
Reaction boss, stuff start the war right now. No playing, no joke. All the dogs and everybody get this. Direct shots me now, fire and miss all the dogs.
What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Ladies don't bring me, no need a cut. Alright? But there was my cousin today, you feel me? I say, follow her up on Instagram, show the Telegram, my friend.
Shira underscore the J-Can.
You feel me? The J-Can? Like Jamaican. Anyways, so y'all know what's been happening. You know, we start a little clash or a little war for entertainment purposes only. I keep seeing these comments under my music video. Y'all be saying, yo, if you want this Trinidad, why would I ever hear this Trinidad? You guys are my #1 supporters.
Anybody.
With this Trinidad, with this Out the TV, with this Joey Dan, React, TD, I bring up myself, brother, with this
Multi-Mix. When you're Multi-X?
Multi-X. No, I didn't this Multi-X. No, you're mad. Multi-X, you next? We don't know. But anyways, we're finna react to these two songs right now. We're finna react to Supahype song first. Then I go react to Trinidad song. So them two replied so far. So it's been 2 days. I gave them 3 days. 3 days. You feel me? Supahype replied the same day. Hot up the internet. Everybody, every girl panty wet up when Supahype dropped the song. I said, watch ya. But yeah, no, I've been trying to distract myself. Y'all seen that Instagram. Go follow my Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Gonna be right over there. Follow my Instagram. No, it's up by corner. Right, that's okay. That part there. Right, that's it. Right, that's it. Okay. Your finger now show it there. Right, that's it. Okay. Right, that's it. Anyways, Tyrekevlogs, go follow me and understand for the latest scoop. I'm in a car accident. I'm alive. I'm well. I walked out of it. Everything is good. The car is totaled. So yeah. Anyways, let's go for Supahype song right now. Let's start things. Look what the man said. Supahype, right?
Tyrekevlog this. Where it say emergency call. Okay. We have 911. Call 911. Tyreek dead.
Yeah, laugh fine. Let me get straight to the song. Let's see what I go for Supahype right now. We have you on loudspeaker. It's it.
More like a mistrack.
Alright.
This is not a reaction.
Yeah.
It's a pump action.
What you mean?
What is it?
This is a pump action.
So we say the pumpy. Alright. It's not a reaction.
It's a pump
It's a pump action, but this is a reaction. Because you are going.
I fired first.
Pass. And me first fire. And me start the clash because only the two scared.
You hear that, boy? I fired first, boy.
Me start the clash because only the two scared. Supahype drop song in the people. I'm sure things say Supahype got this me, you know. Don't call me name, nothing. Go on. I could stay song. Let's try
it. Fire with a tech, Mickey head burst. The one with the doctor or the head nurse. Set for the undertaker and the big hearse. Leave it flat on the ground like a converse. Bigger kill Tyreek now in one verse. Matter of fact, me a kill him in a reverse.
Play back over the morning.
Brother, you come for really matter foolishness, brother. What kind of language that, dog?
You better speak Japanese, brother.
What kind of language you better chat? Hold on.
Japanese.
I fired first.
Alright then.
Rapid fire with a tech, Mickey head burst.
Yeah.
With the doctor or the head nurse.
Yeah.
For the undertaker and the big hearse. Leave it flat on the ground like a converse.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me do that. Flat on the ground like a converse. Alright, Supahype. Alright. Flat on the ground like a converse. Go on.
First, matter of fact, me a kill him in a reverse.
Oh, reverse? That don't sound like reverse. That sound like a real verse and attack real.
No, what is he saying?
No,
that literally sounds like he must speak a different language.
But them talk Spanish or Trinidad, but not Spanish that?
That's not Spanish.
That is called Supahype language.
Oh, okay. I agree. Supahype?
No, the name changed. super flap. Go on!
True, man. You don't know how to go, Him take someone?
Take sound sweet or something. The girl take him a talk about so I must go him a talk. What now? Me hear I say? Yeah.
Give me your chain and your ring and your watch.
What?
Him
take them. Give me one of them. I have none.
Is that one of the Supahype?
Let me do what me got to. Me got to. Defend Chili body till it's me have to. Don't feel skipping states cause visa me got to.
Alright.
Yeah, me got to. 911 emergency call. The Rick man a body not bad at all.
Catchy. It's catchy.
Seat when I be 10 out all. And the text some seat when I be 10 out all. The text some seat when I be 10 out all. We take operation go real stage. Get time we get a track and get in my place.
Hold on, what I'm saying?
What?
What I'm saying?
What?
What I'm saying?
Supahype. Hold on.
Come on, boy. I expect better, boy. Come on, boy. You in the bad now. Come on, boy. What I'm saying? Catch Tyreek in our track? In catch Tyreek in our track? That's what he said?
Take some seat when I be 10 out all. You take some seat when I be 10 out all. We take operation go real stage. Get time we get a track and get in my place.
You catch your half track?
Baby food.
Yeah, baby food, dog. You want Durban?
Listen up. 911 emergency call Tyreek motherboard.
If you accompany rhythm in this track and attack, make sure you attack facts and not this year, this summer. You probably attack foolishness. In a miggle your song. Come on.
You man drop another language by your dog.
Come on.
Broadway light for rifle and a wall and it takes some seat when I be 10 off all. Yeah, it takes some seat when I be 10 off all.
No fuck. Hey, that.
You done, brother? Run them all the TV?
All the TV.
All the TV? No, brother. Come with something better. Not even a clap.
No, I have to give me time answer. I see him there. You see me, I say?
Well, yeah, you have to give
so you come out and you do your thing. You do me?
But
so
that distracts something then.
One play music video.
Oh, I forgot to say some music video. Give them that.
I give you a whole music video and that's like the same time. I want to go.
Come on now.
I want to go.
Come on now.
But we have to respect you for reply. Jump out first and bust the first gun. You see me, I say? You do me? Because remember say this. Some boy not answer you to honor you. You see me, I say? You're talking notorious heads now, you know. STD, you know. You don't know chopping you name me that change like your feet with them, you know. Yo, if y'all ain't listen to my song, y'all go pray for yourself. You see, let me know if y'all want me to drop it on all them, because some people on a TV song already. People are playing my song in a car. I mean, I say, what the hell?
Oh, yeah,
but anyways,
artist, boy, to the artist, to
no, them not. Them I say, yo, stick to reaction, boy. So anyways, go see what go on, man. We have one more for reacting. Go see what I'm doing. You see me, so we'll soon in our next video. You see me? You go put yourself.
Peace.